Imagine selling the idea of astrology on a platform like Quora. Sounds difficult, but very much doable. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how Puneet Gupta, the founder and CEO of AstroTalk, leveraged Quora organically and inorganically, meaning writing answers, getting answers written, and then catalyzing that with paid campaigns. So Mr. Puneet Gupta leveraged Quora to get a lot of its early users and paid customers. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at all the strategies that I can from a third person's perspective. And I think we'll have some fun wherein we take a deep dive into Mr. Puneet Gupta's answers as well as the answers written by some of his teammates. And yes, I think it's going to be fun. So let's get started. So I'm going to quickly share my screen. First, we'll look at AstroTalk's website. We'll try understanding what they do, how they do it, what are the kind of services that they have. And then we'll quickly jump to Mr. Puneet Gupta's Quora profile. We'll take a deep dive into his profile, his answers, and then we'll jump on to a few other things related to AstroTalk on Quora. And while we do all of that, we should get a fair amount of idea as to what could be the potential strategies that AstroTalk uses in order to leverage Quora as a platform to grow their business. But let's note this, that Quora may not be the only platform which they use in order to grow their traffic. So this video is just going to cover Quora marketing strategies leveraged by AstroTalk. Let's get started. So this is AstroTalk's website. They seem to have 2 crore plus customers. Majority of their work is done through the apps that they have on the Android app store and the Apple store. And if we look at it, they have been covered extensively across media houses. They have a network of 1500 plus astrologers, and they seem to be doing pretty good for themselves. You can book astrologers online. You can talk to them, and this is what their price tag looks like: 8 rupees per minute, 55 rupees per minute, 44 per minute. And I think it's like more like a marketplace where AstroTalk connects you to astrologers and they make money off the transaction that happens. So AstroTalk, majorly when they started off, this was the only thing that they did. But as of today, AstroTalk does a lot of other cool things. They sell gemstones. They do Reiki healing, online puja, spell casting or uncasting, not sure, but yes, that's there. Palmistry, consultation, theta healing, rudraksha, face reading, yantra, feng shui, kundli matching, past life regression, cosmic integration. Interesting. So there are like a lot of things that AstroTalk does as of today. But in this video, we'll talk about how AstroTalk has been able to leverage Quora. So when we search for AstroTalk on Quora, we see that there are a lot of questions that come up, like which astrologer did you speak to? How was your experience? How accurate it is? How can I join AstroTalk? Is it genuine? Promo codes. How has your experience been? What's the age of Puneet Gupta, the founder? Who is the CEO? Why did Puneet Gupta found AstroTalk? Okay. Does an online astrology app AstroTalk really predict the truth? Okay. There are like a lot of user generated content related to AstroTalk, and this is one of the major aspects of their brilliance in Quora marketing strategy. You start so much conversations that people start discussing things about you, which ultimately leads to conversations, and conversations leads to curiosity. Curiosity leads to transaction in certain ways. And Quora is one of those platforms which sends good quality traffic, meaning if you find somebody who is interested in your product or service, they will check you out, and there are chances of conversion. And it's always nice to use Quora as a platform to grow your business. And I think AstroTalk has been pretty successful in doing that. One of the reasons why I'm doing this case study on AstroTalk, starting with AstroTalk, is because I love what they have done. Kudos to the marketing effort. So Puneet Gupta, 22,000 followers, 90.5 million content views. Crazy, with just 26 answers. So what I've done is I've sorted the answers based on the filter all-time views. So there's a question which talks about what is it to earn 5 crores per year? How do you do it? And how do you start? How did you start? So Mr. Puneet has shared his story as to how he got started. It's a long life story with 85,000 upvotes. Crazy. And 44 million views. So statistically, if I look at the view to upvote ratio, it's not what organically the upward ratio would be. So against 44 million views, if it had been an organic answer, then we may expect somewhere around 800,000 to 1 million upvotes. But in this particular case, it is 85,000 upvotes, which is very less. So I can suspect and I can assume that this could have been a sponsored answer, meaning you write an answer, then you pay money to Quora later to catalyze that answer and get more views. This is something that I did extensively for Stone Santa when I had to grow Stone Santa's organic visits and catalyze that with paid visits from Quora. So that is something that I did. Hence, I can identify this. Another question is, do you believe in astrology? Why or why not? Another answer by Mr. Puneet with a picture of his team and of course a lot of links to the answer and the website. 39 million views with 29,000 upvotes and comments disabled, clearly an indication of running ads, and also to avoid comments which may be a little offensive. Then we have, does astrology actually help people or not? Another answer with 4.6 million views, 3,000 upvotes, comments disabled. 1 million views, 1,400 upvotes. Okay. So guys, if we can notice, a lot of Mr. Puneet's answers have been written to questions which can attract viewers and then catalyzed by paying Quora some money. I would have done that if I were him. And I did that for Stone Santa. So I don't think you guys should judge anybody about these strategies. You should look at the brilliance of these strategies rather. Now, there's another question, which is very specific. It says, which astrologer did you speak to on AstroTalk? So as a customer, I may write that, okay, I spoke to Naveen Ji and Naveen Ji was very nice. He answered all my questions well. But what if the HR of that company writes the answer? Like, I'm the HR of AstroTalk and I have to speak to all the astrologers because I manage their payroll. And then you go on to build the story about how AstroTalk does everything. Boom, pay some money and catalyze it. 24.1 million views against 9,300 upwards, which is very nice, fairly done. And here's a link to AstroTalk. So guys, if we look at it, Mr. Puneet's team has done a fantastic job at being able to leverage Quora in order to grow their audience. So yes, guys, this is what we observed from Puneet's and AstroTalk's Quora strategy. Now, I don't want to go into each of the questions one by one and tell you that, oh, this may be a paid answer, this may be a user generated content, or this may be inorganically done. Understand this, that when you want to truly leverage a platform, just spending money in terms of ads would not help you. You may want to build an organic strategy. And one of the key things why Quora stands out as a platform is that Quora allows your content to stay green for a long time. So meaning 3 years later, there are still chances that these questions that AstroTalk talks about would still be ripe, green, and keep sending traffic. So content strategy or content marketing plays a key role in growing a business. And today, content marketers, growth hackers, and everybody else is flocking to Quora in order to grow their business. Some other businesses that have leveraged Quora extensively in order to grow their businesses: Unacademy, DuckDuckGo, Stone Santa. Although Stone Santa is nothing compared to the scale of the companies that we just talked about, AstroTalk, Unacademy, DuckDuckGo, etc. But yes, Quora as a platform has allowed many people to find an audience that listens to them, cares for them, and allows their work to be respected and grown. So if you're looking to grow on Quora, please understand this, that if you add value, the audience will respect you. And I think I should stop talking about giving gyan because the video was about AstroTalk's Quora strategy. I hope that you like the video. If yes, drop an apple in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.